Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good afternoon. Welcome to Pakistani American news channel. Kesser Mustafa Bhutta from New York. Few countries will feel the impact of President Donald Trump's victory in the United States presidential elections more than China, the world's leader in cleantech and a major US trading partner. Since the Biden administration introduced the Inflation Reduction Act in 2022, the fostered domestic cleantech manufacturing, a wave of Chinese companies ranging from solar manufacturers to car makers have planned or already built factories in North America to bypass tariffs and re-up tax credits while also tapping into the profitable US market. Their planning now faces great uncertainty with the return of the former president who launched an intense trade war with China during his first term and is already antagonistic against the Asian powerhouse. China's New 3, a nickname for solar cells, electric vehicles, and lithium batteries, will be on the front line to take any hit from the looming policy shift under President Trump. Song Zin, founder in Sinwal Global Strategy, a think tank with offices in Beijing and Berlin, told Cypher. The new 3 are the current focus of China's economy, said Song, and Trump has promised to rescind all unspent funds under the misnamed Inflation Reduction Act on his first day in office. Although it remains uncertain how much President Donald Trump can repeal as president, with Republicans in control of both chambers of Congress, much of the IRA is under security. Potential opportunities exist for China too in America's new political landscape. The green trade between China and other developing countries may go up if the US withdraws from the competition. According to Kevin Moe, principal of the Institute for Global Decarbonization Progress, IGDP, a Beijing-based think tank. Thanks for watching Pakistani American News Channel.